everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm back with another ramyun. Woo! This is like kind of very gourmet. Today I'm using this brand called ramyun called odongtong. I wanted a thicker noodle just because I wanted to make it more like jjampong, you know, the hot and spicy seafood noodles. Nothing too special. I do have some kimchi and pickled radish on the side. And for drink, I just have ice water. And I'm going to add this like a vinegar syrup. This is mandarin flavor. Fruit vinegar for drink. So cool thing about this is you could add it to sparkling water, which is really good. It's really good with beer. But there are other ways to kind of enjoy this mix. But today I'm gonna just mix it with my just plain water. Nice. Cheers, guys. Oh. Okay. 맛있겠다. You know, I'm sure some of you guys are more of an expert on instant noodles. So you let me know, but I feel like this brand, the noodles are a little thicker or as thick as noguri. But I really like this one. So good. It was so hot. I think this tastes better than the jjampong that I had the other day. So I actually wanted to get the jjampong flavor ramyun, but I could not find a single brand. I don't know what happened to the H Mart, but they didn't have any. Like, not even like this, like not even a single original or new whatever jjampong brand. Nothing. So I was like, okay, I guess I'll try something new today. So if you guys have been updated in my life past few months. You guys know that Tong landed a new career, and his plan was to go to California and train for a couple of weeks. He left today. I already miss him. But at the same time, I'm pretty excited to kind of start new routine for myself and just kind of have the time to myself. When Tong was working 6 days a week, I was so desperate for time with him. When he left his job, and then I had him to myself for a while. I would say a few months, because he left his job around February. I mean, I love it. I love spending every hour. I know I come off so clingy, but I love every hour with my husband. I mean, sometimes I do like really hate him. He hates me, blah blah blah. But at the end of the day, like I love it. I love him. I'd rather spend more time with him than no time. You know what I mean? So when we started to do everything together again, you obviously, I mean, it's kind of a obvious thing, but we start to lose time for ourselves. And then you kind of start to forget like how important it is for you to have an alone time to think, to do stuff, just be alone. Because I think that's so important. I told Tone that, I'm gonna really miss you. Yesterday, I didn't realize, this is our first time being away this long ever in a relationship. So part of me was kind of worried, and I didn't realize how much I'll miss him until last night. We're just like hugging each other and we just fell asleep hugging each other like all night. But at the same time, I don't want to like cry about it. I don't want to be sad or like only think about him. I mean, I'll miss him, but if I keep thinking about him, I mean, what a waste of time, right? I mean, I'll miss like does that come off weird? Like, I want to miss him, but I don't want him to be the only person that I think about. I want to think about myself. I want to do things for myself. I mean, not that I didn't before, but you know what I mean. Being physically away, I think you could benefit so much on its own way. So, what should I do, guys? One thing that I actually promised with Tong was that I'll be filming a lot. Kind of get back on track again with like mukbangs and recipes and all that. Get on my regular workout schedule again, because I took 2 weeks off and I feel like shit.